pleasant good morning to you all. Happy day, everybody. I've got to make a stop today, an unplanned little trip before we head too far west, because woke up this morning to load my bike onto the ramp and the front tire was completely flat. And I see 2 puncture holes in the tire. So I ran over something that's not in there anymore, probably a thorn or something. Got 2 puncture holes, and I don't know when the next big town will be that I'll be at a spot. I would like to get that tire patched up. So there are a couple here in Yuma. I'm gonna start with the closest one and see who can get me in today. That's my only plan today. Dusty roads. Oh boy. Dusty, bumpy roads, dirt roads. Okay. And everybody out here in a darn stinking hurry for no reason. Tired of eating my dust, so he's gonna make me eat his dust. Okay. All right, cool. I'm here at SRA Motorsports, and just dropped off the bike with the boys here. They're gonna at least fix the tire, repair that up, or give me a call. I'm pretty sure it can be fixed. They're just tiny little thorn punctures, so should be no problem. And they're gonna take off the clutch lever and see if they have one, but he already told me he doesn't think he has one for the TW in stock, so I might have to pick that up later. But I've got about 5 or 6 hours to kill here in Yuma. So let's go try something crazy. You guys ready to leave the country? Yeah, let's do it. There we go, Mexico next exit. We are just inside of California, but it's like 5 miles from the motorsports spot to the border, so yeah. Alrighty, so this is the Quichin Casino off exit 8, and I believe that it is a popular spot for parking and overnighting, and then possibly walking over the border. There are actually a ton of RVs here. Look at this. Look at this place. It's like an RV park. That's a TW 200 on the back of his RV, just like mine. That's cool. But I'm going to go a little bit closer because Carolyn's telling me that they have RV parking right next to the border, and I'm trying to walk as little as possible. I might still overnight here, but let's get closer. I think we're a mile from the border. I've never gone over this border crossing, guys. I know I do not want to bring the RV into Mexico. It's just getting in there might not be so bad, but coming back, can you imagine having your whole life inside this RV stripped and searched? No thank you. No thank you. Maybe I would take the TW in, but there's no point. Carolyn said there's parking up here, so we'll go check it out. Hey, there's the Colorado River, I think. I think this is the spot. Last U-turn USA. Parking lot. Yeah, let's try this. Guys, that's not a good spot to stop. I think it said $8 for an RV. Oh, they got lots of parking here, though. No overnight parking. Closed 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Okay, good to know. Hi there. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think there used to be gate arms right here, but they both appear to be completely sheared off and driven through. Okay. Also in a new time zone now, California time, because Arizona has their own time. So we're in Pacific time now. And I'm going to park right here so that I have an easy access out in case this place fills up. How's that sound? All right, Jax. Although you do have all the documentation, you're going to stay this time. Next time, okay? Okay. All right, well, even though we are not leaving the continent, just like Canada, you do need a passport in order to get into Mexico and to get back into the United States. And I have heard from others that you cannot film the actual crossing itself. So I'll share with you guys as much as I can without getting in trouble, and or I'll just catch you on the other side. That sign there says End of California, 186. And up here is the official border. So I'm guessing there's some turnstiles and stuff up here, but no more filming. I'll catch you guys later. So, okay, maybe you're wondering, why would anyone come down to Mexico? What's the point of just crossing the border real quick? Well, there's like cheap medical, cheap dental, let's see, cheap prescription drugs, cheap eyeglasses and exams. And when I say cheap, I mean even with US insurance, the prices for stuff here can be less than your copay with your insurance. I definitely need some prescriptions. I want to try some food. And the other really cool part about it is you don't need to get pesos. They take American cash here and American debit and credit here in this particular city, right on the other side of the border. See, they're advertising some of the stuff right here. You can get your inhalers. Huge list of all sorts of stuff you can get. That's what I need right there, omeprazole. And I need some high blood pressure meds. Pharmacia Liquids. We'll go inside and check it out. And of course, liquor. Jose Cuervo. Oh yeah. Tecate is a local here, I guess. I don't see any Corona, but yeah. Not a whole lot of places to sit down, but here's an example. I got my omeprazole. This is for my heartburn. I got 5 of these, 120 tablets in every one of them. Basically 2 years supply of heartburn medication for $19.95. I literally pay $23 for 2 weeks over the counter at Walmart back in the States. So that's good. On the way back out, I'm also going to get the other. This one didn't have my high blood pressure medicine, but I will be able to find it before I leave. I am starting to smell some good foods down here. I will say that. I don't know where the food smells are coming from. I don't see them. This is Lupita's Fish and Shrimp here. I do actually need a couple fillings repaired too, some cracked fillings. Not today though, just looking around. Everybody's trying to make a buck down here, polishing shoes there. Yeah. And all kinds of street artwork. That palm tree there. Get a load of all this, guys. Whoa. I got some tips on some food, but I got a Los Algodones hat souvenir. Still looking for a magnet for my fridge, but I got Angela a Los Algodones shot glass. I think it's funny. It's creative. Handmade. Look at this. Never seen so many dentists and doctors in one spot. Implants and endodontics and a dentist and Dr. Sam, and it just cracks me up. It's so weird. I mean, you can get 90% off your prescription drugs. I mean, geez, it's crazy. Live music is cool. Chicken enchiladas. Oh yeah. All right, well, I'm pooped out. Got some souvenirs. It's gonna be a little longer to get back into the United States because they're a little more strict about getting through and searching people. So anyway, like I said, I can't film the border crossing itself, so I'll catch you guys back up when I see Jackson the RV. Ah, the sweet smell of the USA and expensive, overpriced healthcare, dental, and medications. Yeah. You doing okay? Yeah, you kind of fit, I guess. Okay. Sorry, I didn't bring you anything. They didn't have any cat treats. No, I looked. All right, guys, I'm just going to camp here in the desert with the quiet nature, and Actually, I'm in a Walmart parking lot here in Yuma, and this will work just fine. I've already been to all the campgrounds nearby, so first thing in the morning, be heading out on a new journey. Gonna meet back up with Angela tomorrow or the next day, and go try to find the tribe over in California. So, gotta stop by and see everybody. So, fun day. I feel like it was not a very productive day, but you know, it did have to change things because of what happened. So, all right. Y'all have a good day, and Jackson, I'll see you in a couple days. Bye-bye.